Hello guys, I welcome you back to my channel. This is Chisumebi, and in this video I'll be showing you how to get a free $5,000 prop firm account that you can use to trade. It's not a competition account, neither is it a trial account, but it's a real prop firm account. Yes, so follow me as I show you all the steps that you will need to get the free $5,000 prop firm account. Yes, so I noticed something. 79% of you who watch my videos haven't subscribed yet. Yes, so if you are enjoying my content on Forex, no deposit bonuses, and cryptocurrency, please take a second to subscribe, to like, and also to share my videos so that your friends can all benefit from it. Here is the site in which we are going to be getting the free $5,000 prop firm account. So first, we're going to start by clicking on Don't Have an Account. So let's do that right now. Yes, then we're going to be inputting our details, our first name, last name, email, password. Then you're going to confirm your password. After doing that, you click on Register. So let's do that right now. After registering, it's going to bring us over to this interface where we are going to be verifying our email address. So we're going to click on this right here as email sent successfully. So we're going to go to our email right now. To confirm our email address, we're just going to click on confirm. Okay, then it's going to bring us over to this place. So I'm signed in already, as you can see it right here. So this is the way the dashboard looks like. I've not gotten the 5k prop firm yet. As you can see, it's still empty. It's still showing 0. So let's proceed. So the first thing that we're going to do is to click on challenges. We have 2 challenges. We have the crypto and the Forex. So we're going to be going for the crypto because it's free. So we're going to click on start. Yeah, account created successfully. So as you can see it right here, we've gotten it. Yes, and it's going to be on for a period of 30 days. Yes, so there are rules to follow, and you can navigate the site to find every rule that you need to know. Yes, so we're going to be trading with C2 Trader and not MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. Yes, and if you don't have a C2 Trader account, you're going to be logging in with the email that you use to log in with this. So like I said before, we'll be trading with C2 Trader and not MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. Yes, so I'll advise that we download C2 Trader app instead of using it on our desktop site or your Android. Yes, so it's not comfortable on Android. So make sure you download the app, and which is what we'll be using to log in this $5,000 account, because we will not just be trading it on the site. We have to connect the platform. Yes, so after downloading your C2 Trader app, you will put the same email that you used to log in into the site. So I've downloaded the app, so let's open it. Okay, so we're going to be imputing the same email and password that we use to open the site. So let's do that right now. Okay, so I'm signed in already, as you can see it right here. Yeah, so you can use the same email and password that you used to log into the site, or you just sign in directly from Google. Yes, so as you can see it, I'm signed in already. Yes, so don't be concerned about the demo that you're seeing right here. Yes, for every prop firm you get, demo tag will always be attached, so that's normal. So you can trade on this app, you can buy, you can sell, and once you meet the terms and condition, you can withdraw. So this is every details that you need to get the free 5k prop firm. Thank you. So if you got it, just let me know in the comment section.